Hi, Michael Daly here, Real Broker LLC, DMA Real Estate Professionals. We're here at 4580 East Loch Alpine Drive in the delightful Loch Alpine development. Here to show a great 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home that's just waiting for a new owner to make it their own. So thank you for coming by 4580 East Loch Alpine Drive and taking the tour with us. Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, you're welcome to contact me. My contact information is below, or you can reach out to us through dmarealestate.com.